Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to work on subtracting all or zero. Turn to page 105 in your math workbook. 105. Press pause, find the page, and then press play. Okay, you're on page 105. Listen as I read the problem. 4 toys are on the shelf. 0 toys are taken off. So what did we start with? That's right, we started with 4 toys. So I'm going to put 4 red counters up. I want you to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Circle the counters that we took off the shelf. That's right. We didn't take any off the shelf. 0 toys are taken off. Let's write numbers to show our problem. How many counters did we start with? Yes, we started with 4. How many did we circle and take away? Right, we circled 0 and took away 0. 0 is nothing. So we didn't circle any of them, and so we didn't take any away. How many counters do we still have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 counters left. So 4 take away 0 equals 4. Excellent. Let's try another one. Okay, listen as I read the problem. 4 toys are on the shelf. 4 toys are taken off. Let's start by drawing the toys that are on the shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you draw 4 circles? Excellent. Let's circle what was taken off the shelf. 4 toys are on the shelf. 4 toys are taken off the shelf. So circle 4 circles and cross them off. So what are we left with? Did you say 0? Excellent. If you said nothing, that's the same as 0. Let's write our number sentence. We started with 4. We circled and crossed off 4, and we were left with 0 or nothing. So 4 minus 4 equals 0. You're doing great. Let's do a couple more together. Turn to page 106. Press pause if you need to find the page, then push the play button to get started again. Okay. Let's look to see what happens when you subtract 0. How many are left? Look at our picture. How many frogs are on the log? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. How many frogs jump off the log? Did you say none? That's right. No frogs jumped off the log, or 0 frogs jumped off the log. So what will our number sentence look like? What number did we start with? We took away or minused 0. And how many frogs were left? How many did we start with? 5. Trace over the number 5. We minused 0. So we were left with, let's just count again to make sure we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trace over the number 5. All right. When you subtract all, how many are left? Look at your picture. How many frogs did we start with? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We started with 5 frogs. How many frogs jumped off the log? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many frogs are left? Did you say none? That's right. No frogs are left. That's 0. So we started with 5. We took away or minused 5. And we were left with 0. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's try another one. Find number 1. Look at the picture to complete the subtraction sentence. So in my picture, I have 1, 2 frogs. How many frogs are jumping off the log? 0. How many frogs are left on the log? 1, 2. 2. So 2 minus 0 equals 2. Let's do another one. How many frogs are on the log? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started with 4. Did any frogs jump off the log? No, no frogs jumped off the log. So 4 minus 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, one more and then you can finish the page. How many frogs are in my picture? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 frogs. How many frogs jump off the log? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 frogs were on the log minus 4 frogs that jumped off the log. How many frogs are sitting on the log? That's right, 0. Excellent job. Okay, boys and girls, I'd like you to try to finish all the problems on page 106. Then turn the page and try to complete the problems on page 107. Keep up the good work.